I promise to spend the rest of my life with you, getting to know you. Come on, Nancy. Come on. I'll make you happy, I promise. Please. Be my wife. Please.
Okay. It looks beautiful.
Thank you. See how pretty it sits on your finger. Can I kiss it?
Sure. Sorry to burst you guys' bubbles. The truth is, Katia is right. Michael is right as well. We are engaged. Getting married soon and no one is stopping us.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.